Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Today I'm gonna solve basic problem min and max in array. As today is Sunday, I just want to keep it super simple. So let's solve this problem. This is day 19 of being productive in coding. Please support me and please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start. Basically this problem is so simple. We need to find out the minimum and maximum elements in the array and we need to return it, those two elements. This is the example one, and here in this one, in this array, the highest element is 8 and the lowest is 1, so we need to return 1 and 8. So minimum and maximum we need to return. So let's solve this code. Integer, and we need to return the elements in the form of array list. So we are declaring one, initializing one array list here, and then we are going to loop it I less than array dot length I plus plus. And here, before going to the loop, let's initialize maximum value as integer dot min value and the min value as integer dot max value. And then next one, let's say the expected complexity. Okay, auxiliary space is often and time complexity is often. Okay, sorry, space is off one and complexity is often. Okay, we can loop it, right? Here, let's give max equal to math dot max. We have library functions, right? Max comma array of I and minimum value math dot min, max comma, sorry, min comma array of I. Now at last we need to add first minimum element min, and then we need to add maximum 10. Let's return our array list. It's passed, and let's submit the code. It passed. Can I do like this? Instead of going to the loop, we can even return like this now. Instead of declaring all these things, see, we can itself sort the array. Arrays dot sort array, our array. That means we are sorting the array, and at last we need to add the array of 0. The first element will be the smallest one, right? And the last element will be the largest element. So array dot length minus 1. We can do like this. Let's see. Now let's submit the code. Okay, it passed. So that's it for today, guys. Happy Sunday. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.